Landscape photography better. My online persona will consist of creating 3 images that are going to be part of a collection, meaning that all 3 images are going to contribute to the one concept as part of landscape photography. So far, my observation research has allowed for me to develop field notes. This has allowed for me to analyze images from Instagram pages as well as my DA will be published on my Instagram photography page. However, for more technical analysis of images, which I thought was crucial to the overall professional development of my collection, I included an analysis of professional photographers' images, which helped me create my concept for my 3 images. My concept that I have developed includes the landscape images of streetscapes. The first image will be from the perspective of an individual on the sidewalk. For this, I plan to take an image with the focus being on the phone booth, which will have black and white features throughout the image. The second image will be from the perspective of a car. This will depict the road with leading lines leading to the background of the photo. And finally, the third photo will be from the traveller's perspective from inside the car. However, I plan on not having a persona in the image. Therefore, the concept of the image collection will all connect through the street view and travelling, but will be shown through the different perspectives. I aim to have the images ready by next week so that I can post them on the Instagram page and then create an online persona through the collection series and interact with the niche. The work that I have produced so far includes my field notes from my observation research done on landscape photography from both professional and non-professional practices. For example, my first week field notes are as follows. My first Instagram image. The image is divided symmetrically as the water feature in the image draws the viewer's attention to the background of the image. By analysing this photo, the photographer is using leading lines. This is where the image is framed and positioned to draw the viewer's eye to a specific point of interest, in this case to the background. When I first saw this image, I immediately noticed the bright autumn colours of the trees contrasting with the dark, drawn-out water feature, which draws my attention to the background of the image. The image appeals to me because of the contrasting colours, giving a gloomy colour palette, which appeals to my style of photography. Professional image. This image is an example of minimalistic landscape photography. The landscape uses colour and pattern to draw the viewer into the image. Ken Duncan uses the contrast of colour and texture in the image to tell the story behind the photo. The image conveys the story of the landscape. Personally, I see the layers of the earth like age rings you find on trees when you cut into the center of it. Each line tells a different story of the earth's past. This image appeals to me as I haven't seen landscape images like this before, and my interpretation of it gives an impression that Earth remembers each piece of history.